Hi, it's Kathy He from John R. Wood Properties. I'm here today with Mary Adams, Senior Loan Officer from New Res in Naples, Florida.
Hi, I'm Mary Adams. I'm with the Southwest Florida Mortgage Group with New Res here in Naples, Florida. And I have been in the mortgage business since 1993. I was formerly Senior Sales Manager for a Fortune 500 bank. And that was before I came to work with our Southwest Florida Mortgage Group in 2007.
What is the value of the appraisal, and what if it comes in lower than the offer?
Lenders will order appraisals to determine the market value of their collateral. So you may be paying $400,000 for your home, and we may be lending you 80% of that, but we want to make sure that the home is actually worth $400,000, that that's the actual marketable value of the home before we close the loan. We want to make sure that the market value, what you're paying for, is actually supported with an appraisal. If the appraisal comes in low, and currently in this market, fortunately, we're not seeing a lot of low appraisals, but if the appraisal comes in low, there are ways to use that as a negotiating tool. And let me back up just a little bit. If the appraisal is determined, the appraised value is determined by comparable sales. So homes that are similar to yours in size, in a similar neighborhood, in similar condition, with similar upgrades, that kind of thing. It compares those, and there are adjustments made. This one has a pool, this one doesn't. This one has an extra bathroom, this one doesn't. That's all taken into consideration, and that's how they determine the market value. If it comes in low, and we can see that, yes, based on the most recent comparables, it makes sense that it came in low. The appraiser didn't miss anything. You have a couple of options. You can use the appraisal as a negotiating tool with the seller to bring the price of the house down. You can meet them halfway, or you can go ahead and pay the higher purchase price, and we would just lend 80% or whatever your down payment was. We can lend that percentage based on the appraised value, because we're going to use the appraised value or the market value, whichever is lower. Really important for people who are putting larger down payments, like more than 20% down, to get an appraisal contingency to their contract, because if you're buying a $500,000 home and you're putting $200,000 down, the appraisal could come in $100,000 less than what you're paying for it, but you have no recourse because they can still approve for the loan.
Please feel free to contact Mary Adams at New Res today to discuss your particular mortgage needs, or apply online, and Mary will promptly get back to you. She is also happy to provide you with her customer references.
Best way to contact me is, my phone number is area code 239-298-5333. My email address is madams@newres.com, or just Google Mary Adams at New Res, Mary Adams Mortgage Naples, you'll find me.
I want to thank Mary for the wealth of knowledge she has shared with us today. Thank you, Mary, very much for the time that you have spent. It has been extremely informational. And as always, everyone, enjoy today. Thank you.